Have you ever wondered how AI actually works? How does it learn? Will it outperform us in the near future? And most importantly, has it reached self-awareness already? Welcome back to AI Thought Leaders, and today we will be exploring the secrets of artificial intelligence. Make sure to like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Number 1, how does AI even work? And how does it learn? Well, believe it or not, AI is a program that calculates possible outcomes, analyzes patterns, and gives you the best outcome out of all the input you give it, whether it could be chatting with a bot on your PC, generating images, video, or decoding hard mathematical equations. But how does it learn? Some people think AI learns on its own, but the truth is actually deeper. AI requires us to make it smarter. For example, if you want to make any kind of AI robot or algorithm, you need to give it a huge amount of input to know what it needs to look for. Then you need to tell it what specific input is good and bad so it can give you a good output.
Destino ou tarefa.
Ele ponto. É? Ô, 22.
This is a very simplified explanation, but this is called machine learning, or more precisely, neural networks. With chatbots, the only way they grow and learn, once it has been programmed, it relies on the programmer, the user's interaction, and the internet. For example, if you ask for a summary of World War II, it will look through all of its input from the internet and all of the sources that the programmer gave the AI, and with all of that information, it will make an educated guess for the right words by making patterns and connections to your question. That's why AIs are not always accurate, since it might make a bad connection or be provided with false input. It has to browse data and process it similarly to how a human would. While it may seem smart, it's prone to mistakes, and sometimes you have to correct it for it to give you the right answer. Although it may appear to be intelligent, it only becomes smarter because we are the ones enhancing its capabilities.
Toma relatório. É o 22 de novo. Granada foguete, direto no peito. Muitos componentes danificados na explosão.
For AI to make images or videos, it can't make them from scratch. It has to go through the internet and do manipulation to make it look like an original photo or video. In a way, it is taking a bunch of photos and videos and giving you the average of a bunch of different inputs and only keeping the right things. For social media use, there are many different ways its algorithm works. For instance, YouTube's algorithm is designed to help with better experience for the user and find what they want. So if you're into history, the AI algorithm takes note of this and will push similar videos on the homepage, and this will happen each time you move from category to category. Seems simple, right? Facebook also does this with its Reels pages and groups. However, since Facebook wants to maintain a clean website when it comes to its community standards, the AI is also being used to monitor pictures and videos, or what people say. For the most part, users have to report the things that they think violates the site's community standards. Other times, the AI will detect the problematic post right away. So why does that happen? Well, let's say you upload a picture of Hitler. Chances are someone posted it before you. A user reported it, and the Facebook staff deemed it a violation. As a result, the AI takes note of it, and so whenever someone posts it again, the AI will spring into action to get it removed as soon as possible. This is why something that was posted years ago was not a problem back then gets taken down, because the AI goes out and searches for duplicates. Sometimes users have to request a manual review on something they post because something about it triggered the AI. Once a staff member reviews it, they decide if it is a problem. If not, the staff will fix it, and AI now knows that next time the post is okay. But do not underestimate AI. It is constantly evolving and becoming better. Imagine if you could look at 1 million cat and dog pictures in the span of an hour. Let's look at the things that AI can do, but we don't. It can detect subtle details in the patterns, the kind of details that we humans might never notice. This brings us to deep learning, which is a more advanced form of machine learning, where the true danger and beauty of AI lies. Let's break it down. Number 2, deep learning. Think of deep learning like a detective solving a mystery. The first layer of neurons might only focus on the most basic clues, simple features like edges or shapes. This is the conventional learning, but as information moves deeper into the network, the next layers look at more specific details, and a new level is reached. By the time the information reaches the final layers, the AI has pieced together the full picture, whether that's recognizing a face, identifying a voice, or understanding language. It's called deep because of the many layers involved. Unlike traditional machine learning, which relies only on a few layers to make decisions, deep learning uses dozens or even hundreds of layers, creating a whole new dimension of intelligence. This is why deep learning has been so successful in tasks like image recognition or even playing video games at a superhuman level. This wouldn't be possible with conventional learning. So if we programmers and millions of users can make AI smarter, could it one day beat humans at everything and outperform human tasks?
Lisa's fired!
Number 3. Artificial intelligence versus humans. Well, the answer is not simple, and it isn't comforting. It's kind of a yes and a no because the future is simply unpredictable.
Segura a porra da arma direito, chefe. Ai, puta que pariu. Pronto. 1, 2, 3.
We are mere apes working on something we think we can predict and control, but ask yourself, can we? The future is scary, unpredictable, but we can try and perhaps do the right move. Every programmer has their take, just like scientists have their hypothesis and data based on their work and research. There is the fear that one day we could be in a world similar to the Terminator or the Matrix.
The machines tried to rig the game, sent a Terminator back to the time before the war to kill my mother.
But we have to understand, fiction is not the real world. Fiction is about entertainment. But we can go based on what is in the here and now and come up with our own conclusions. We might end up in a worse or better future than the ones we already imagined. It's up to us to decide what to do now. We know for sure AI is evolving. In the creative world, we already know AI is capable of writing code and inputting data. We still are in a place where we are the masters of artificial intelligence. We can predict what they do, at least for now. But now for the million-dollar question you all waited for. Is AI conscious already? This one is a tough question like the last one. A Google software engineer claims AI is sentient because of the input or conversations we do with chatbots, because if we are conscious, then so is AI, and this is dangerous. But he has been criticized because others claim it's not. Many AI experts are in agreement that AI is not self-aware. But are they correct? So what are your thoughts? Will AI be our greatest invention, or are we playing with fire? We'd like to hear them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our deep dives into AI. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please let us know. We will see you in the next video.